The density of a solution prepared by dissolving 120 gram of urea, molecular weight 60 units, and 1000 gram of water is 1.15 gram per ml. The molarity of this solution is. So students, this is a very simple question from solutions. How can you find out, or what are you asked to find out here is the molarity, right? Now what is molarity equal to? Molarity of a solution is equal to number of moles of what? Of solute divided by the volume in liter of solution, right? Now what is the number of moles of solute over here? What is the weight in grams of urea dissolved? It is 120 grams. What is the molecular weight of urea given? 60. So what is the number of moles? 2 moles. Now you have to find out the volume. How will you find out volume? Here you have been provided with the density of solution, and that is equal to 1.15 gram per ml. Now what is density equal to? Density is equal to mass of solution divided by volume of solution, right? Now what is the mass of solution given over here? What is the mass of solute? It's 120 plus mass of solvent, it's 1000 grams. So what will be the mass of solution? It will be 1120 grams. Now we can find out the volume of solution. So volume of solution will be equal to 1120, that is the mass of solution, divided by the density, that is 1.15, right? And this is in ml, of course. Now put the values in the equation for molarity. So here molarity is equal to number of moles is 2 divided by the volume of solution, that is 1120 divided by 1.15 into 10 to the power 3, because this is in ml. And what is the formula of molarity? This is the volume has to be taken in liters, right? So this is the expression. Just calculate it and you will be getting the molarity. The molarity comes out to be approximately, it's 2 molar. It's 2.05 molar. Just calculate this, right? So what will be the answer of this question? It will be 2.05 molar. That is, the answer is D. So this is a very simple question from solutions.